Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to ping multiple websites at once using CMD. So you just need to follow me. So at first what you have to do, you just need to open your file explorer and click on this PC. Now here you just need to click on this three dot button over here and go to options. After open options, go to view. Then here you will see one option called hide extension for known file types. Simply uncheck that option and click on apply, then OK. After that, go to that location where you want to save or create that ping.txt file. So first I will create under document. So I'll go under document, then right click, then click on new, then click on text document. Now here I will type ping.txt file. I'll create one document over here. So under this ping.txt, I will put all the domain name which I want to ping. So suppose google.com, then facebook.com. You can also put any IP address, facebook.com, then IP address soft.com. Okay, after that simply click on save. After done, you need to open CMD on your computer. So for that you need to open your start window or search window. After that you just need to open search window and type CMD. Open command prompt. Under command prompt, under CMD, you need to type the command is called for. So don't worry, I will give you this command to my video description. So type for space /f space %i space in space under first bracket. You need to copy that location .txt file location. So in my case here it is. So I'll right click on ping.txt file and click on copy as path and right click, and it will paste it automatically. Remove the quotation from start and end, and after that close the first bracket. After that space do space ping space %i. After that, if you press enter, as you can see, it is ping on google.com, then facebook.com, one by one, all the domain which I have put it under a ping.txt file. So I hope this quick tutorial really helped for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.